It has been a minute since I have gone to my Caribbean grocery store. It's been like a year since I went. Here's what I got. Hardo bread, cock soup, star anise. This is really good to put into your sorrel if you're making sorrel punch. Star anise. It tastes like licorice. I don't like the taste of licorice, but when I put this in my sorrel, I could bear the flavor. Some more cock soup. So it's Easter week, and in Jamaica they love their bun and cheese. So here's some bun. I didn't get a whole Easter bun because it's just me, and even if my friends and family are coming over for Easter, there's no way that that Easter bun is gonna get eaten up. Plus it's $20. $20 for a whole Easter bun. And then you gotta get the cheese, that's another $15, $20. No man. So I said, let me get myself my own personal bun. Corned beef, Excelsior, I want a brand deal. Some jerk seasoned by Jamaican Choice. Now I usually get Grace or Jamaican Choice jerk seasoning, but I saw this one, I was like, Blue Mountain Country jerk seasoning. I got the hot and the mild, and what I usually do is I take a little bit of the hot and mix it with the mild, just so the spice is just right. Pick a pepper sauce. Oh, to go with the bun, I got some Jamaican cheese. All this is tin cheese, and they just cut it up and wrapped it up in some plastic. So what I'm gonna do is slice some of this up, cut this up. I'll make a video. Cream coconut. When I'm too lazy to crack open a coconut to make my own coconut milk, this is what I use. And this is considered a thickener. And it makes the rice and peas so nice and creamy and fluffy. Oh, it's so good. So this right here is for fish cakes. I use this specifically for my saltfish fritters. And then we have the Johnny cake. Johnny cake is just fried dumpling. And then you have festival mix. And I like my small red kidney beans, salt beef, regular beef, pigtail. Guess what I'm making? Yes, you're right. Stew peas. That's my haul.